Hello from the beautiful desert of Nevada. We made it here just a few days ago and we're kind of getting ourselves back on the road of living full-time since we were back at our family's house for like 3 months, and then we went to Baja, so we were prepped for Baja, but we dropped some stuff off at our family's house and now it's time to organize. Alright, so a little bit of reality. We cleaned this out already and this is what lived in there. We were organized, but more like an organized mess. This is me restarting the organization. We now have a monkey climbing. What's going on over here? Where's my planner?
So it's very easy to get unorganized and messy in the van, so today we are finally getting together and cleaning it up because we've been pushing it off and it's only getting worse, so wish us luck.
All of this, we have these baskets that live up there, and honestly it started off with organization. We had 4 and it turned into no longer organization, kind of just like a junk. Like this is literally a bathing suit and trash and a power bank and a waffle maker and what is this called? Velcro sticks. It's a mess here. We have, I wanted it to be easy accessible for us to like grab our toothbrushes, grab our face wash, everything we'll need like for the day, and extra chopsticks and deodorant, just everything that we would use, sunblock, and just kind of grab it, get ready, and then kind of push it up. I still kind of like this idea. I think we just need less stuff, more organization, but we have all these things that were in here that did not belong. So we have, this is still organized, it's just all nail stuff. We have stuff to do our dip on the road and we don't do it. Feminine products. This became miscellaneous, which is literally a drawer of nothing. Yay! She found my journal! And another junk drawer. Like, what is this even? Like, what is this even? Literally toothpaste everywhere because we stocked up. A little bit of hair stuff. But we're gonna organize this mess. Show you a little bit of van life reality. Not always, but...
Always.
But we are always cleaning, because we liked organization. So now we're gonna, you know, reorganize these drawers, get them reorganized, put them in here, and then we're gonna do some switcheroo of this, because it's not just that drawer, it's this. We've gotten more things. We've lost some plates because they got broken, and new bowls. So we're gonna go through there, take it down. For the most part, this is probably staying. This is pretty organized. We could probably, you know, tidy it up a little, but I think it's pretty organized for the most part. Alright, so we pretty much organized all of this. I'm happy about it. And now on to this. The bench. I took everything out and sadly there was not much in this bin. So we just have a lot of empty space everywhere. Like, there was nothing in here. It's all gonna be worth it because it's gonna be so organized. So organized that we're just gonna be so much happier the next time we see it. Not the next time that we're still cleaning, but the next time when it's done. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Organization. We have purses in here. We could put anything right there. Underneath there is toiletries. So our clothes originally went in here. They were just on this side, and then I moved our toiletries on this side. Now this has space if we want to put anything up there. Not too sure yet, but it's kind of nice to have the space. This is the second thing. This now became electronics, hair stuff, nail stuff, more hair stuff, headbands, and then once you remove this, we have lotion, vitamins, more lotion. These are literally headbands. So, yeah. And then the benches. These are the overflow of shoes. They're the ones that we are not going to wear daily. And this is going to be where Starlink, since we have Starlink now, it has the monitor. Or what's that called? The router part. And then the wires. And then this is what we use when it gets windy. So it's just going to like live there. And then the Starlink is going to live in here. And then in here, we have makeup bags, which again, we don't use all the time, so it's okay for them to be down there. We have makeup bags and then bathing suits. We don't use those all the time. There's something else under there. And then this side, well, I also organized my backpack, so yay. Let's show you how easy accessible it is, I think. Okay. That's where the Starlink wire goes for now while we're using it. And then, there we go. The blanket doesn't always go here either. We have a vacuum, we have purses, and some empty, nice space to have. And underneath that, we have toiletries. Our shower, our extra toilet paper, extra poopery. We have it out already as well, but this is like the extra. And then scrapbook stuff, which I'm not going to get into. Adapter for this and some other just paper good stuff. All right, and then we did over here, all these bins we thought we were going to get rid of. We have skincare in here, so it's just an easy accessible basket that we can grab. And this was the one I showed earlier that has, again, all the essentials: deodorant, perfume, toothbrushes, I don't know what else. All the everyday things. This is our fun box. We have our projector here, and we have some games, projector screen, and just more games. So that's why it's the fun box. The next box is work stuff, literally laptops, headphones. If you don't know, we work full-time on the road. And then here, let's see, waffle maker. What is this, like a little egg one? I forgot. Yeah. Our coffee grinder, an extra water bottle, and this awesome blender that's like on the go. Oh, and sunglasses. Oh, good to know. We didn't really clean that part out. But we're almost done. This is all we have left. Our bed's a little mess. Oh, I forgot about that camera bag. God dang it. The table's on the bed. We have to find a place for hats, but literally it is getting so late. Not really, but we're just exhausted because that was 1, 2, 3, 4 areas, 5 areas, or 4.5 areas. It was exhausting, and like throwing out. We also have a big bag of trash right here of things we don't need. I also cleaned up my backpack. Destiny cleaned up her backpack, and we're almost done, but it's approaching 10 o'clock. I'm exhausted, and we're gonna do it again tomorrow where we tackle this area. Sushi Nori, if you want to know what she has there.
Don't know how this is going to taste.
It's gonna
Liz
taste...
is very excited.
I'm so excited because
making new things always makes me so nervous.
It's gonna be delicious. Oh, because we're making it, you know?
Bam. How is it? Pretty good? Tastes like tofu bowl. Really? Mm-hmm. Awesome. Interesting. It's just hard to bite the seaweed. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm.
We are going to see you tomorrow. Good night.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you you notice me. Let me be real.
Alright, we just got back from our walk and we're gonna do some more organization today. But first things first, we need some caffeine.
Waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh.
Breakfast is almost ready. Yum! We also need some fuel before we get cleaning. Yeah. Breakfast is ready, baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So, after breakfast, we both ate. I still have my coffee. Delicious coffee. And now I'm gonna get started on cleaning up this mess. Well, the kitchen, I did the dishes. I'm kind of cleaning it up. We have, I want functional living. Now, I know in van life it does make sense, but it also, like, I think in the first year, like, we've been on the road for a year, by the way. It's so exciting. But, like, in the first few months, having to, like, move stuff, to get stuff, to move stuff, and I did not like living like that in an apartment. I liked everything, like, even in a pantry or a cabinet, everything was, like, spaced out and very, very well organized. So now I'm trying to just kind of get a little feel of that back. So let's get started on doing this. We have this drawer here. Here has all of our AG1 in here, which we take daily, and our coffee and our backup coffee. So actually, now that just looking at this, we have to refill this. And then honestly, make sure that our dishes even fit. Ooh, yay, they do! Okay, so we have these, like, bowl plate things. And actual bowls and actual plates. I want to make sure the actual, see any of those may be a problem, but maybe they could stand in that way. Just start by moving everything from here. We'll put it out here and then just trying to figure out where we want it to go. Alright, we have our matcha, our maca, and our additional AG1. I think those magnets work so good. And oh no, our rice paper!
I think there's only one in there. We could throw it away if there's only one.
There's two. We got one spring roll each. And then here is our tea, so we're just going to put that on top so we can force ourselves to drink more tea. Alright guys, we are officially done. There's some like loose stragglers. We're charging the drill, so we have to like put that in some places. We're actually gonna see my sister today, so we have a bag for her to take back to my mom's house to put in our storage area. But we are freaking organized. I will show you that, not that one, But I will show you more or less all of these good awesome things. We're gonna get driving on the road, but I will show you a little close-up of how it looks, especially like when it's fully finished clean. I'm just like wiping down the counters. I just finished the dishes, just cleaned the sink, so the sink is clean, and we're gonna start driving. We're gonna finish cleaning, and it's all done. I'm so excited.
We're getting somewhere.
Ah, I'm so excited. I'm excited to get all this trash out, and then how's the garage looking, babe?
It's great.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Really?
It's done.
Oh, nice. Okay. And then last but not least, I want to do Coffee's house and a good sweep and then a good little mop. I'm probably going to buy some Lysol wipes. So we're going to hit the store, get some of this done, and we'll show you when it's all nice and sparkly. Let's show you the reveal. I'm not going to show too much because we do need to do a tour still, which we will, and you will see it very soon. But here is where we think everything's going to go. So far, so good. So here, avocado thing that goes up there. But we now have pots and pans here, coffee cups, more like the to-go coffee cups like our Yetis, and then we have our AG1 in our coffee, and more coffee, the rice cooker, and we kind of made this like it fits more here. Then this was already organized, but we went grocery shopping as well, so we filled up some of those. Got more snacks, and
It's my favorite.
so we have this drawer here, and it's all snacks. We never have places to put any of these things. They literally just sit out on the counter, get thrown up there. We also eat them very quickly, so they're gone fast. But this is where we decided to put them. Are they going to stay this way? No, but it will be like half snack drawer, maybe half black box. We also never have anywhere to put this, so that's nice, and that's like our favorite wine, so we love that. And then, don't mind Coffee's toys. We never got to her room, but
We will.
sleepy girl. And here's the bowls. So we threw away our plates. We have these bowls. These are our nice ramen bowls that we always have, but they are always clinking. And in here, they're not clinking anymore. So this works. And then, yeah, pretty much bowls and plates. Yay! This is organized. I think I showed this already. It may still look messy to you, but we know where everything's at. I don't know if it does. It doesn't look messy, I guess. Clothes are great too over here. Everything's nice. And that's just like everyday mess. Like we just threw the pillows up there and everything's fine. Oh, and then here, I think we did this already, but skincare, everyday, literally pull it down. Deodorant, chapstick. I don't know what else is in here. Oh, vapor in case you get sick, Orajel, perfumes, tea tree oil, blah, 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 tea tree oil, any other essential oils, tongue scraper, which we have yet to use. We just found out we had them. We forgot. Flosser, floss thing, face wash, cream, all of that fun stuff, toothpaste, and toothbrushes. So literally, oh, and sunblock. Should we put sunblock on today? Okay. And pretty much you just pull it down, do your morning daily routines, and then you put it back away. And then here, I think I did go over this, I'm not too sure. Games, other stuff, and this is our work stuff. This one broke, so we need to buy another one. But that's our work stuff, so. We love it, don't we?
Yep.
So excited?
And I know where everything is.
Yes, you do.
And I never do. And I'll probably forget.
Yeah.
Yay me.
Yay.